We're looking for gold. We're looking for gold. That's what happens when you don't pay us. We come in and we just destroy your hedges. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. They want more room so they can walk by, because they can't walk by for the pool there. Welcome everybody, welcome to this new day. Just want to show you guys what we got going on here. Look how long this is. It's been 2 years since we've done it. We do this one every 2 years. Boys are out back. Brian's up on top. Boys are cutting there. You guys can see them off in the distance. Everything's looking really good. You guys come along with us today. We'll show you guys what we got going on. You guys enjoy this. Welcome everybody, welcome to this beautiful day, to the next job. We're gonna be taking out all of these lilacs. I think there's 8 of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, about 8 of them. The client here wants us to take them out. They're taking up too much space on her land. Yeah, the last one's over here. See, they've got a lot of stuff. We do their cedar hedges for them. And she asked us, she says, let's take them out. So we're going to take these all out, then we'll grind down the little stumps that come with it. So we'll fix that all up. We'll bring you guys along with us today. Hope you guys enjoy this. So the first job is at taking out a lilac trees. You guys enjoy this. We're looking for gold. We're looking for gold. That's what happens when you don't pay us. We come in and we just destroy your hedges. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. They want more room so they can walk by, because they can't walk by for the pool there. I was just kidding. Okay, peux rendre ça mon Sam là, pendant qu'on coupe ça là.
Ouais, pas besoin de chauffer ici.
Je sais pas. Non, peut-être pas. Non, c'est juste ça va fucker les lames, my gars.
Ouais.
Là, ce que j'aimerais, là, c'est que en haut, que ça n'aille pas. Essayer de le faire un peu droit. On va aller chercher d'autres machines. So you see now his sidewalk is all clear. He's gonna be able to walk around now. His whole pool. Brian's blowing the pool, all the junk. Blow it down over. Gonna blow all this over there in the corner so we can get it out of the pool. Sawdust and some branches, and I'll do that. Hey. Yeah, it looks really good. The only problem is now you can see at the neighbors, but I think he's gonna put some kind of little fencing in there so that way he can't see it. Looks really good. Sun comes out. Yeah, I'm sure he'll be really happy with this. I'll take a picture, I'll send it to him because they're off to their cottage for the summer. We'll send this to them. All right, we'll go out front. We'll head over to the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I was just kidding there when I said what happens when you don't pay there. That was just a joke. I don't want anybody to think that that was real. That was not real. I guess you could call that clickbait.